Nestled within a majestic enclave of towering fir trees, this expansive property beckons with tranquility on its gentle east-facing slope. Meticulously designed to align with our client's vision of single-level living, the residence seamlessly integrates master and guest suites, crafting a robust circulation corridor along the roadside. Cloaked in the timeless elegance of natural stone and adorned with strategically placed deep-set windows, this corridor serves as both an auditory shield and a visual sanctuary, shielding the home's primary spaces from the nearby road. The architecture unfolds with grace as the simple shed roof ascends, reaching towards the heavens to embrace natural daylight and forge a compelling indoor-outdoor synergy. The elevated deck at the rear of the residence extends an invitation for seamless transitions, offering direct access to the captivating outdoors from the heart of the primary spaces. Within, the interior is adorned with the warmth of fir accents and ceilings, complemented by the organic charm of natural wood floors, enigmatic cabinetry, and the captivating concrete surround of the see-through fireplace. In this harmonious abode, every detail dances to the rhythm of nature, creating an environment where serenity and sophistication converge effortlessly.